I'm Chiu Hengjin, R&D Director at Vazyme. Welcome to our Longtan GMP facility in Nanjing, China. Today, I will tour you through our facility and demonstrate how we transfer rigorous procedures into high-quality, reliable raw materials for mRNA production, covering utilities, cleanroom entry, fermentation, purification, quality control, and final packaging. Let's begin. Today, our journey begins in a dedicated changing room where personnel complete standardized gowning and hand hygiene procedures in full compliance with GMP requirements. Here at our Longtan GMP manufacturing site, the facility spans approximately 10,000 square meters and houses 7 production lines. The highlighted area is dedicated to GMP-grade mRNA enzyme raw material production. Today's tour will take us through the key systems, including the compressed air system, water system room, CIP station, HVAC, mRNA enzyme manufacturing, warehouse, the stream center.
Safety is built into the facility design, with 3 emergency exits to support safe evacuation if needed. Next, we come to the utilities. The compressed air system delivers 13.1 cubic meters per minute, featuring active standby redundancy to ensure a stable supply of process and instrument-grade air. The water production room includes purified water, 6 ton an hour, WFI 2 ton an hour, and pure steam systems. All systems undergo routine sampling and testing to ensure compliance with pharmacopeia standards. The fully automated CIP system maintains equipment hygiene through validated cleaning and sterilization cycles. Each production area also has a dedicated HVAC system, centrally controlled to maintain precise cleanroom conditions and proper zoning.
We are now entering the mRNA enzyme production suite. Before stepping inside, we follow strict cleanroom gowning protocols, including changing into dedicated shoes, performing 7-step hand washing, donning sterile gowns, and final sanitization. All steps comply with GMP standards to maintain a controlled, spotless environment that protects our process and your products. In the upstream suite, or 10 liters, 50 liters, and 100 liters fermenters run independently or in linked modes with automated CIP, SIP, and continuous online monitoring of agitation, temperature, conductivity, and optical density to preserve data integrity across fermentation campaigns. In the extract room, crude protein is extracted with refrigerated centrifuges and high-pressure homogenizers, processed material efficiently and reproducibly. Once extracted, the clarified material is transferred to the downstream purification area. Here, bulk product is generated using gradient chromatography at multiple scales, including 1 liters, 3 liters, and SDL systems. Key parameters such as flow rate, conductivity, and UV absorbance are monitored online. Columns and resins are managed through unique identification to minimize the risk of cross-contamination. Chromatography columns and consumables are carefully stored and managed under controlled procedures to maintain consistent performance. As you can see from the layout, in the bioenzyme preparation workshop, formulation takes place in a grade C environment. The 500 liters solution preparation system automates material addition, water makeup, weighing, mixing, pressure control, and transfer with online CIP, SIP, aliquoting under grade, a laminar flow, along with a partitioned filling platform, enables flexible and protected dispensing. From filling, we now move to the next stage of the process, in the external packing room. Final product packaging is completed, with labeling verification and traceability steps performed prior to dispatch. The warehouse is organized by function, including a room temperature warehouse for consumables and packaging materials, cool storage, 4 and -20 degrees Celsius warehouses for temperature-sensitive materials, and dedicated areas for non-conforming products, meeting all storage requirements. Equally important
is our strain center. It maintains a GMP-compliant strain library to ensure traceability, purity, viability, genetic stability, and regulatory compliance. -80 degrees Celsius freezers and liquid nitrogen tank securely store production strains.
We will now explore our quality control laboratory to understand the full process from sample receipt to final release. Our 1,550 meters squared lab includes about 1,400 meters squared of testing space and a 150 meters squared microbiology center. Today's tour covers the sample room, stability room, balance room, instrument room, liquid chromatography room, and the microbiology center.
We start at the sample room, where technicians log and verify incoming samples, the foundation of traceable data. Adjacent to it is the stability room, where samples are stored at controlled low temperatures to maintain their integrity. Next is the balances area, equipped with high-precision scales for accurate weighing.
We then move into the instrument room, home to GMP-grade equipment, such as the centrifuge and PCR systems used for regulatory grade testing.
Another key space is the liquid chromatography room, where components and impurities are separated and quantified to support release decisions.
Here is our microbiology testing center, including the positive control room, strain identification room, and microbial limit testing room, supported by the appropriate equipment. With this final stop in quality control, our tour comes to an end. Thank you for joining the virtual visit. For over a decade, our integrated team and systems have ensured reliable product supply. We remain committed to advancing MR innovation and supporting global health now and in the future. We hope this visit provided valuable insight into our operations. See you next time. Discover how our GMP excellence can support your goals. Get in touch with our team for more information.